Howdy y'all. Today I got my rival MT10 out. Going to take this thing for a little bash around the construction site, see what type of trouble we can cause. Nothing's changed on it. Still got the MT10 SET. Got my little high-speed fan mounted on it with a little velocity stack. Looks like I got a shock leaking at the moment. So we'll see how this does. This session may get called early on account of shock problems, but we'll see what happens. There we go. Run, you fun little bastard! I love my MT10. I just love this little bastard truck. It is the best. I mean, bang for your buck, you cannot beat this platform, in my opinion. It's such a durable little truck. I can run 4S on it, but I don't choose to run 4S. This thing is... it's a handful on 3S, as you can see. See if we can give this thing a nice little send. Oh, that body's getting bad. Just knocked out a pin too. Oh well. No wonder why the pins are falling out. I put the wrong damn pins in it. I forgot I've drilled this out for armor pins. Shit. Oh well. Man, this little truck is just so much fun. Yee! Let's go save the day.